There we go. There we go. The queen is mad. I'm recording, Ellen.
You want the bottle.
Brianna. Look at your memo.
My room's over there. I'm on the bottom.
What's the matter? Tell Mama. Tell Mama. Mommy is not servicing you, is she? Huh? Come on, Krabby. Come on, let out big war whoop. You mad, ain't you? You shouldn't make it mad. Here we go. Ain't a thing wrong with you. Okay. Give a kiss to Mommy. That'll really make it mad. Yeah. There we go.
You want the bottle.
Tell me, Bree. What's the matter? Ooh, look at that face. Turn around so I don't see that face. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you didn't cry that much when you was a newborn. Crab butt. Let me see your feet. Look at your feet. Normal. Tickle his feet. That really make it mad. Just a little tickle. There we go. Oh. Look at that face. Look at that little pout look. Look at that little pout look. Now hold her up there. She realizes she ain't getting no service. Yeah, you gonna smile about it now? You gonna smile about it, huh? Look at Mama. Come on, look at Mama for the camera. Come on. Look at Mama for the camera. See the camera? You better smile, Bree. Everybody's gonna look at you. You better smile. Everybody gonna see you. You better smile for them. Smile for the camera. Smile. You better get a good smile going. Here, stick your tongue out. Go like that. Bree. Go like this. Not spit. Smile. Stick your tongue out. Come on, say Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Time to be pretty for the camera now. I already got you acting all bad-butted. Stick your tongue out. Come on. Look. Say, shut that dog up next door, Mom. Disturbing the queen out here. Come on, smile. Smile, it's a pretty baby. Look at the pretty baby. Yeah, you know you're on camera, don't you? Uh-huh. You know you're on camera. Come on, smile. Bree. Brianna.
She's like, I'm going.
Are we going yet, Mom?
Really good.
Say smile. Smile. Smile for Mama. Come on, smile. Say, I gotta be good because everybody watching me. Say smile. Smile, pretty girl.